Changing the web address of your Weebly website is as easy as going to Settings and changing the site address. It asks you to type it in again, and so it automatically puts you in between the www and the Weebly. You just need to put in the new one, and it's the one that I expect to see. So it's based on your class period. Put your new computer number, 2020 for this year, and your initials. It'll do a search for that one as well, and it should not be taken. So you should be able to just choose it here at the bottom. If there's problems with that, we'll have to coordinate on how we'll make it unique and find out who had the old one so that you can have it instead. It's very unlikely. When you click choose and you're done, you can see that it's going to change right here under settings. I can look at it, and it's got the new address. Of course, I won't be able to tell that until you hit publish. And now the website is here. When I click on this, then I need to be able to see your website. In this case, it's a copy of Data Tech.